In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add apps to Slack step by step, even if you've never done this before. Adding apps to Slack is one of the best ways to boost productivity, automate tasks, and connect your favorite tools directly into your workspace. Whether you want to add project management apps, file sharing tools, or AI assistants, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Slack homepage. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to add the app. This is important because apps are added on a workspace level, not just to individual users. Once you're on the Slack homepage, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple Slack accounts. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar in Slack and click on Tools. This menu gives you access to different workspace options and settings. Clicking on Tools will expand a list of features that help you customize and manage how Slack works for your team. From the Tools menu, click on Apps. This will take you to the Apps section inside Slack, where you can view installed apps and explore new ones. This area is essentially the control center for managing all integrations connected to your Slack workspace. Now, click on the option that says Open in Slack Marketplace. This will open the Slack App Marketplace, where you can browse hundreds of apps designed to integrate directly with Slack. Here you'll find apps for communication, productivity, automation, project management, AI tools, and much more. Once you're in the Slack Marketplace, scroll through the available apps, or use the search bar to find a specific app you're looking for. You can select any app of your choice depending on your needs. For example, you might choose a task management app, a calendar integration, or an AI-powered note-taking tool. After selecting the app, you'll be taken to that app's dedicated page in the Slack Marketplace. Here you can read more about what the app does, review permissions, and see how it integrates with Slack. When you're ready, click on the Add to Slack button. At this point, Slack may redirect you to the app's interface and ask you to log in with an existing account or create a new one. This step depends on the app you're installing. Give it a moment to load, review the permissions carefully, and confirm the installation. Once approved, the app will be added to your Slack workspace and will be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added an app to Slack. You can now start using it in your channels, direct messages, or workflows depending on how the app functions. If you ever want to manage or remove apps later, you can always return to the Apps section in Slack. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.